Facing not eligible for your T-Mobile unlock? Let's break down the core requirements. First, your device must be fully paid off, meaning no remaining installments or lease obligations. Use the T-Mobile app, website, or call customer service to verify and pay any outstanding balance. Early payoff fees might apply. Second, your account needs to be in good standing. No past due bills, active status, and no flags for fraud. Postpaid accounts require at least 40 days of active service, while prepaid needs 6 months. International roaming devices have additional restrictions. Remember, unlocking isn't guaranteed for stolen, lost, or blacklisted devices, as per FCC rules. If you're seeing not eligible, double-check your payoff status. Balances update daily on installment plans. Resolve any unpaid balance via the T-Mobile app or website. If your account is suspended or in collections, unlocks are blocked until these issues are resolved. Check for device insurance claims or recent plan changes that might trigger temporary holds. According to T-Mobile's internal data, not eligible errors often stem from unpaid balances or early termination fees. Clear these up and you'll likely be good to go. If problems persist, T-Mobile's support documentation has been updated to clarify these common issues. There's a 95% unlock success rate after all requirements are met. If you still have problems, contact T-Mobile for manual support.